31 to 35. Caselet 36 to 40. Quadratic equations. Next 41 to 45. Number series. Next 46 to 55. Arithmetic questions are single items. Next 56 to 65. Simple equations. Okay. In this one, first priority simplifications are not. Second one, number series. Next one, caselet. Next one, quadratic equation. Last one, arithmetic questions. Or before the quadratic equations also arithmetic questions are solving. Because today quadratic equations are little bit calculation. Direct factors కాదు కదా వచ్చింది. Okay. First priority simplifications. Question number 56. What is the left hand side value? 13 into 5, 65 minus 5, 60 divided by 5, 12. 12 and 2 difference, 10 or not? Next, question number 57. First of all, 9 how many times 90? 10 times or not? Means 10% of which one? 360. What is the 10% of 360? 36. 36 plus 27. 63. Next, question number 58. First priority 5 how many times? 15. 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Next, question number 59. First priority numerator bracket values are adding or subtracting? Adding. 97 plus 28. 125 or not? Next, 1700 plus 2100. 3800 or not? 3800. Divide by which one? 25. 25 how many times? 125. 5 times. 25 one time. What is the remaining value? 130 or not? 130 means 5 times. Again 2 times or not? 152 plus 5 means 157. Or both are adding, divide by 25. Next, question number 65. Sorry, question number 60. What is the 9 square? 81. 11 square? Both are adding. 202 plus 14 square? 196. Total it is 398. Divide by 2 means half of the 398 or 199. Next is 61. First priority 50% of which one? 700. What is the 50% of 700? 350 or not? Okay. And 35% of which one? 350. This one we return 35 into 35 by 100 or not? Yes or no? Into how much value? 10 or not? 0 0 cancel. 35 into 35, 1225 by how much value? 10 or not? Okay, answer first option or not? Next, question number 62. 9720 by 4040 minus 2960. Numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel or not? The numerator value 972, denominator 404 minus 206, 108 or not? Almost 9 times or not? Next, question number 63. First priority 6 cube or not? What is the 6 cube? 216. What is the difference between 256 and 216? 40. 3 5s are how much? 15. 40 and 15 difference? 25. Next, question number 64. 1600 plus 900, 2500 plus 1100, 3600. Divide by 60, 60 100. Next question number 65. 35% of 20% of which one? 7. 20% means it is 1 by 5 or not? 5 almost 7 times or not? This one we return 7 into 7 by 100 or not? Square root of this one means we return 7 by 10 or not? 7 by 10 means 0.7. Simplifications complete. Next one. Number series completed. Okay. Next case letter 31 to 35. A company manufactures 3 types of products, product A, B, C in the year 2019. The company manufactured a total of 15,000 products. Out of the total products, some are which one? X type and the rest are Y type material. Okay. Each one X, Y or not. How many companies are there? Sorry, how many products? 3 products. A, B, C or not. Next, total how many products are there? 15,000. Means sum of the A plus B plus C, it is how many products? 15,000. Total of A value plus B value plus C value, that is equal to how much? 15,000. What is the first one? 35% of the total products of product B. Means B is how much percent? 35% or not? Next, what is the next point? Ratio of the X type and Y type products in product B is how much? 4:3. Total how many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts are 35%. Every 1 part 5%. 4 parts are 20%. 3 parts are 15%. Next, what is the next one? The number of X type materials of product A is 10% more than the X type products of B. What is the X value of B? 20%. Compared to this one, 10% more. What is the 10% of 20? 2. Then it will be 22% or not? Next, the ratio of the Y type metals of product C and the number of X type of metals of product A is how much? 3:5. Means 5 parts is how much? 22% or not? Every 1 part 4.4 or not? Yes or no? 1 part 4.4. Then 3 parts 13.2. That 13 point is the C Y value or not? Next, and one more. The number of Y type metals of product A is 20% less than the Y type metals of product B. What is the product B Y value? 15. 20% means 20% of 15. 3. 15 minus 3. 12 or not? Okay. Product A Y value 12%. What is the A total value? 34%. Total is always how much percent? 100%. In that A 34, B 35. Remaining 31%. Out of 31, Y value is how much? 13.2. These two are subtracting. We are get the C X value. What is the difference? 17.8%. Okay. All are in converted to which one? Percent. All are in percentage. Okay. If you required value, then we return it is multiplied by which one? 15,000. Okay. Every percent is calculated on which value? 15,000. What is the first question? Find the difference between X type materials and Y type materials of product C. What is the difference? 4.6. 4.6 of which value? 15,000. 4.6% of 15,000. First of all, percentage 2 zeros cancel. Next, 46 by 10 into 150. Again 0 also cancel. 46 into which one? 15. What is the 10 times? 460. 5 times means 230. Total it is 690. Next question number 32. Find the respective ratio of the number of Y-type materials of product A and number of X-type of materials of product B. Y-A value is how much? 12. Next, X-B value 20. 12 and 20 ratio 3:5. Next, question number 33. Find the total number of products of A and B. A how much percent? 34. B 35. Total 69. We required 69% of 15,000 or not. This one we return 69 into 150 or not. What are the 100 times? 6,900. 50 times means half of the 6,900 or not. How much? 3,450. Both are adding 10,350 or not. Next, question number 34. Number of X type of materials of product A is approximately what percentage more than the number of X type of materials of product C? What the XA value? 22%. And XC value 17.8. How much percent or more? 4.2. 4.2 upon which value? 17.8 into 100 or not? Okay, we required approximate percent or exact percent? Approximate. What is the 10% of 17.8? 1.78. 20%? 3.56 or not? 20% is how much? 3.56. What is the 30% value? 1.78 into 3 times or not? Nothing but 5.24 or not? Then answer is in between 20 and 30. How many options? Only one or not? Okay, because first option is less than 20. Second option also less than 20. Third option is 20%. First we are verify the 20% or not. If we are verify the 20%, we are eliminated 3 options or not? Yes or no? Again we are verify the 30%, eliminate the one more option or not? Next, question number 35. Find the difference between X type of metals of product B and the Y type of metals of product A. X of B value 20% or not? Y of A value 12%. What is the difference? 8%. 8% of which one? 15,000. Means it is 1200 or not? 8 into 150 or not? How much? 1200. Caselet also completed. Next, arithmetic questions. Question number 46. If the number which is divisible by 12, 72, 54 leaves a remainder 7 in each case, then find the number or not? Okay. If a number is divided by 12, 72 and 54, we are get the remainder is how much? 7. Answer will be including remainder or without remainder? Including remainder or not? Okay. What is the first option? 232 minus 7, 225. 225 is divisible by 12? No. Next, second option 214 minus 7, 207. It is divisible by 12? No. Next, 215 minus 7. It is 208. It is divisible by 12? 12 ones are 12. Remaining 88. It is divisible by 12? No. 223 minus 7. How much? 216. It is divisible by 12? Yes or no? Next, what is the fifth option? 504. Minus 7 means we are getting 497 or not? It is divisible by 12? No. Then answer fourth option 223 or not? Yes or no? Or 12, 72, 54. First we are verify the LCM of given numbers or not? 12 will be removed or not? Because 12 is the factor of 72 or 72 is the multiple of 12 or not? What are the remaining values? 72 and 54. What is the difference between 72 and 54? 18. 18 how many times? 4 times. 18 3 times or not. Okay, then LCM value 18 into 4 into 3 or not. 18 for the 72 into 3 means 216. That is only LCM. Every case remainder is how much? 7. Then we are adding 7. We are get the number or not. What is the answer? 223. If 223 is divided by 12, we are get the remainder is how much? 7. The same 223 is divided by 72, we are get the remainder 700. Okay. Every case remainder are same means that is added to which one? LCM of given numbers or not. Next question number 47. Ajay invested 45,000 in two different parts, one at 10% per annum compounded half yearly annually, half yearly, and another one 15% per annum simple interest. At the end of the year, he received a total interest of 5610. Find the amount invested in simple interest. What the total sum is? 45,000. It is split into two parts or not? Then we are using three methods or two methods? Three methods. First one, principal in first one x value. Second one, 45,000 minus x. That is equation method or not? Second one, allegation. Third one, reverse method or not? Okay. This type of questions we are using three methods because equation, either allegation or reverse method. Okay. First, what is the total principal? 45,000. First we are use the allegation model. What is the rate of percent in compound interest? 10% per annum, but compounded half yearly or annually? Half yearly. What is the half year rate of percent? 5%. In 1 year, how many half years are there? 2 half years are not. What is the first 6 months rate of percent? 5%. Second 6 months 5% plus 5% of 5% or not. Because compound interest is always interest on interest or not. 5% how many times we need? 2 times. 5% of 5%, 0.25% or not. Or A plus B plus AB by 100 or not. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5 into 5 by 100, 0.25. Total it is 10.25% or not. It is compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. What is the simple interest value? 15% per annum. Nothing but simple interest is directly we are getting 15% value or not. What is the question here? Investment in which one we required? Simple interest or compound interest? Simple interest. Okay. First, what is the 10.25% of 45,000? What is the 10% of 45,000? 4,500. Again, how much percent we need? 0.25% or not. What is the 1% value? 450. 0.5%? 225. 0.25%? 112.5. Total it is 4,500 plus 112.5. 4612.5 or not. Next. But in second case, what is the interest value? 15%. 15% of which one? 45,000. What is the 10%? 4,500. 5%? 2250. Total it is 6750. What is the minimum interest? 4612.5. What is the maximum interest? 6750. What is the overall interest on both the cases? 5610. Solving these three values, we are get the ratio between principal of first one and principal of second one. What is the difference between 6750 and 5610? 1140. Next, what is the difference between 5610 and 4612.5? 997.5. Okay. This one we written 11,400 is to 9975. 114, it is 19 multiple. Yes or no? 19 how many times? 6 times. Nothing but 600. Next, 19 how many times? 99. 5 times. Remaining 47. 47 means 2 times. Again 5 times or not? Yes or no? 75. 600, 525 difference is how much? 75 or not? 75 how many times? 8 times. 75 7 times or not? What is the principal's ratio? 8:7. Okay. Total how many parts? 15 parts. Or we required second one sum means it will be multiple of 7. How many options? Only one or not? 8 plus 7 how many parts? 15 parts. What is the 15 parts value? 45,000. What is the 1 part value? 3,000. 7 parts value? 21,000 or not? It is allegation model. First case we are getting minimum interest. Second case we are getting maximum interest. Overall 5610 or not? What is the answer? 21,000. Because here 5610, it is not exactly divisible by 45. 5610, it is exactly divisible by 45. We are get the percentage or not? Yes or no? Total value, total interest is how much? 5610. That is calculated on which one? 45,000. We are get the sum percentage or not? In that case, we are get the fraction value, not exactly integer. If you get the integer value, then directly we return one is 10.25, another one 15%. Suppose overall we are getting 12%. Solving those three values, we are get the ratio or not? Okay. Or reverse method. In reverse method, we required which one investment? First one investment. First one investment are required means which one data we are taken. Second one data or not? Principal of second one are required. Which one data we are taken? First one or not? Okay. What is the first one rate of percent? 10.25% of 45,000. What is the 10.25% of 45,000? 4612.5 or not? What is the actual interest? 5610. Compared to 5610, how much value you are less getting? 997.5 or not? Okay. That is equal to difference between interest of second one and interest of first one. What is the difference in interest? 4.75% or not? Okay. 4.75% value, 997.5%. We required sum means how much percent we need? 100% or not? 475 2 times 950 or not? Yes or no? What is the remaining value? 475 or not? How many times? 1 time or not? Then answer 21,000 or not? Actually left hand side 4.75 or not? Right hand side 997.5 means it is 210 or not? Left hand side how many digits after decimal? 2 digits. But right hand side only 1 digit. Then we are get the right hand side 210 or 21? 210. Then 210 into 100. 21,000. 4.75% means it is interest difference between second case and first case. Next question number 48. Two stations A and B are 625 kilometers apart. A train leaves station A from station B. At the same time, another train leaves from station B to A. Simply we are say opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. Both the trains meet 5 hours after they start moving. If the train starts from station A is 15 km/h faster than the other one, find the ratio between the speeds of both the trains. First of all, both the trains are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. In opposite direction, what is the relative speed? S1 plus S2. That is equal to distance by time or not? What is the distance value? 625. What is the time value? 5. 625 by 5 means we are getting 125 or not? That is S1 plus S2. But one speed compared to another one speed 15 km/h are more or less? More. Then we return S1 minus S2, it is equal to 15 or not? What is the question here? Ratio between the speeds of both the trains are not? One is S1 value, another one S2 are required. 125 plus 15, 140 by 2, we are get the S1 or not? Next, both are subtracting by 2, we are get the S2 value. What is the difference? 110 by 2. Denominator 2 cancel, numerator zeros are cancelled. What is the ratio? 14:11. Next question number 49. The volume of a cuboid is how much? 2835 centimeter cube. The ratio of the side of the cuboid is 3:5:7. What is the shortest side of the cuboid? What is the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Length is how many parts? 7 parts. Breadth is 5 parts. Height is 3 parts. LBH. Okay, it is equal to how much value? 2835. First of all, 7 how many times? 28. 4 times 0, 5. Next, 5 3 is how much? 15. 15 how many times? 2 times, again 7 times. What is the right hand side? 27. It is which one cube? 3 cube. Means every one part is how much? 3. We required shortest side or longest side? Shortest side. How many parts we need? 3 parts. What is the answer? 9. Left hand side it is parts into parts into parts. Nothing but part cube or not? Part cube or part square? Part cube. Next question number 50. In a race of 500 meters, A can beat B by how many meters? 75 meters. In another race of 1000 meters, B can beat C by 150 meters. Then by how many meters will A beat C in a race of 750 meters approximately or not? Okay. First of all, what is the A and B relation? In a race of 500 meters, A can beat B by how many meters? 75 meters. Okay. Which one are traveled 500 meters? A. B. 425. 425. First general procedure. A how many meters? 500 meters. If B 425 meters or not. Okay. Second one. In a race of 1000 meters, B can beat C by how many meters? 150 meters. First person 1000 meters. Second person 1000 minus 150 or not. Means B is how many meters? 1000. C is how many meters? 850 or not. Okay. Next. 500, 425, 1000, 850 or not. What is the ratio here? 500, 420. 20 is to 17 or not. 1000 and 850 ratio. 20 is to 17 or not. Yes or no? First. 20 is to 17, one of the ratio. Another one also 20 is to 17. A to B ratio and B to C ratio. Two ratios converted to 3 terms relation. 20 into 20 how much? 400. Second one 17 into 20, 340. Third one 17 into 17, 280, okay. What is the meaning? If 400 meters of race, A covered 400 meters, B covered 340, C covered 289. Okay. If a race are 400 meters, A can beat B by how many meters? A beat C in a race of how many meters? 750. But before solving that one, if A covered 450 meters, C covered how many meters? 289. Means A can beat B by how many meters? 111 meters. Okay. If 400 meters race, A can beat B by how many meters? 111. But in this question, how many meters are given? 750 meters. 750 meters. And 0 cancel or not? If 400 meters, 111 meters. If 750 meters, how many meters he can beat? 5 how many times? 8. Or 5 how many times? 8. 5 how many times? 15 times or not? Okay. What is the relation between 8 and 111? Almost 14 times or not? 8 14s how much? 112. 15 into 14. 210. Then answer will be nearby 210. Yes or no? Actually we written 15 into 111 by how much? 800. But I taken as 111 divided by how much? 8. 111 by 8 means it is almost 14 times 100. Then answer 15 into 14. How much? 210. That is nearby 210 answer 100. How many options? Only 100. 208. It is general ratio method. First one is total are covered. Second one compared to first one, how many meters are less covered? 75. This type of questions 500 is A. Second one is 500 minus 7500. Clear? Or 575. 75 is what percent of 500? 15%. Yes or no? If A is 100%, B is how much? 85%. Yes or no? Next. What is the relation between B and C? Out of 1000, 150 difference. 150 is what percent of 1000? 15%. 15% means C compared to B, 15% less or more? Lesser. What is the 10% of 85? 8.5. What is the 5% of 85? 4.25. 4.25. Total it is 12.75. The 12.75 is subtracted from which one? 85. 85 minus 12. 73. 73 minus 0.75. Nothing but 72.25%. If A 100%, B is 85%, C is 72.25%. What is the percentage difference of A and C? 27.75%. Then answer is 27.75% of which value? 750. Yes or no? Suppose first 2% the difference is 20%, then one is 100%, another one 80%. Again second to third 20% difference, again we are subtracting 20% of 80 or not? Successive decreased percent or increased percent? Successive decreased percent or not? Okay. 27.75%. It is more than 25% but less than 30% or not? Okay. What is the 10%? 75. 30%? 225 or not? Then answer must be less than 225. Less than 225. Means fifth option possible? No. Because we required which one? 27.75 or not? Means it must be less than 224 or more than 224? Less than 224. Which one? 208 or not? What is the 25% value? What is the half of the 750? 375. What is the half of the 375? 187.5 or not? 187.5. Then answer must be more than 187.5 but less than 225. But we require 27.75% or 25%? 27.75%. Or directly we are calculating how much percent? 28% or not? Yes or no? What is the 30% value? 225. What is the 1% value? 7.5. 2% value? 15. 225 minus 15. 210. That is nearby 208. Next question number 51. ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్కి సమ్ కేసెస్లో పర్సంటేజ్ తీసుకుంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సమ్ కేసెస్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ టేకెన్ వీఆర్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజీ. ఓకేనా? ఈ కేసులో మనం వాల్యూస్ మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటే వీఆర్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజీ. అదే పర్సంటేజ్ తీసుకుంటే లిటిల్ బిట్ టైం టేకెన్ అన్నాడు. We required which one? 27.75% of which value? 750. Next question number 51. A and B together can complete a work in how many days? 5 days. They started together, but after 2 days, B left the work. Remaining work is completed by A in how many days? 9 days. Then A alone can do the whole work or not? What is the 1 day work of A and B together? 1/5. But they are worked together for how many days? 2 days. Nothing but 2 days work are 2/5. Means out of 5 parts already A and B completed 2 parts are not. What is the remaining work? 3/5. That 3/5 is completed by A in how many days? 9 days. Means A 3/5 work is completed in how many days? 9 days are not. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts is completed by A in how many days? 9 days. What is the question here? A alone can do the whole work. Whole work means how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts means 15 days or not? Next question number 52. 3 persons are running in a race course. 3 persons are started at 11 am with a time gap of 3 minutes, 6 minutes and 8 minutes respectively from the same starting point. At which time all the 3 meet each other or not? Definitely they will meet after 11 am or before 11 am? After 11 am. Okay. What is the first one total time? 3 minutes. Second one 6 minutes. Third one 8 minutes. We required meeting time means we required common time of 3 persons or not? Common time means common multiple of given values or not? Common multiple means LCM or HCF? LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 6, 8? 24 or not? LCM of 3, 6, 8. 3 cancel or not? What is the LCM of 6, 8? 24. Already starting time is 11 am. After 11 am they will meet how many minutes? 24 minutes. Then at what time they will meet? 11:24 am or pm? Am. Just we are adding the LCM value to 11 am or not? We required common time. Common time means common multiple of given timings or not? Next question number 53. If the radius of a cylinder is equal to the which one? Radius of a circle whose perimeter is how much? 220 and the height of the cylinder is 20% more than its radius, then find the curved surface area of a cylinder. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi RH or not? Before solving the question, just we are verify the multiple of 11 or not? First option 11 multiple? No. Second option? Yes. Third one? Yes. Fourth one? Yes. More than one option or not? Next. Again we are verify the multiple of 7 also or not? 11, it is 7 multiple? No. Third option 7 multiple? 7 8 is 56. Again 7 8 times or not? It is also 7 multiple. 9240, it is 7 multiple? Yes. 7 13s 91. Remaining 14 or not? In that case also 2 options or not? Okay. Normal procedure. Radius of a cylinder is equal to the which one? Radius of a circle whose perimeter is how much? 220. What is the circle perimeter? 2 pi r. Nothing but 44/7 into r. 2 pi r 44/7 into r. That is equal to how much? 220 or 44 how many times? 5 times. Then radius is 35. The radius of a circle it is also equal to which one? Radius of a cylinder. Next, height of the cylinder is 20% more than the which one? Its radius. Then height of the cylinder is 20% more than the 35. What is the 10%? 3.5. 20%? 7. 35 plus 7. 42. Height value 42. But we required curved surface area. 2 into pi nothing but 22/7 into r value 35 into h 42. 7 how many times? 6 times or not? 7 how many times? 6 times. 35 2 times how much? 70 into 22 into 6. 132 or not? End with 40. 9240 and 9340. Which one is 11 multiple? 9240. Next question number 54. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest for 2 years is how many rupees? 180. The principal amount is how much? 8,000. Find the rate of interest earned. Okay. First we need to identify 180 is what percent of 8,000 earned? Or what is the difference in 2 years concept? X square by 100%. Or R percent of principal equal to difference of 2 years earned. Yes or no? What is the difference of 2 years? 180. That is equal to R by 100 into R by 100. What is the P value? 8,000 earned. Yes or no? 2,000 how many times? 4 times. 2,000 how many times? 5 times earned. Yes or no? 180 into 5. 900. Divide by 4 means 225. Then R equal to 1500. Four how many times? 45. 45 into 5. 225. Which one square? 15 square. Next question number 55. Pipe X can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Another pipe Z can fill the same tank in 15 minutes. Y can empty the tank in how many minutes? 60 minutes. Then find the total time to fill the tank when 3 pipes are working together. First two are inlets and third one is outlet. Take the LCM of given timings. What is the LCM? 60. 20 how many times? 3 times. 15 4 times. 60 1 time. Numerator total tank capacity. Denominator each one efficiency. First two are inlets, third one is outlet. 3 plus 4 7 minus 1 6. 60 by 6 means 10 minutes. Next quadratic equation. 36 to 40. 7x plus 13y equal to 1 by 2. 11x plus 9y equal to 6. 1 by 2. Okay. Second equation minus first equation. Second equation minus first equation. What is the difference between 11x and 7x? 4x. 9y minus 13y minus 4y equal to how much? 6. Then x minus y equal to 6 by 4. We are not required 6 by 4 because right hand side it is how much? 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means we written how much? 3 by 2. What is the left hand side? X minus y. What is the meaning? X greater than y or not? Yes or no? Second equation minus first equation, we are getting the relation x minus y or not? Without solving two linear equations or not? Just subtracting the second equation minus first equation, we are getting the x and y relation or not? Next question number 37. 4x square plus 40x plus 51 equal to 0. Sorry, 51, not 41. 51 means it is 3 into 17 or not? Next, already here 4 or not? 4 I written 2 into 2 or not? 2 3 the 6, 17 2 the 34, total it is 40 or not? Okay. What is the coefficient of x square? 4. Coefficient of y square? 12. What is the LCM of 4 comma 12? 12 or not? 4 comma 12 LCM? 12. Means x roots multiplied by 3 times, but y roots are multiplied by only 1 time or not? Okay. 2 3 the how much? 6. 17 to the 34. Initial roots plus 6 plus 34 are not. Second one, what is the product value? 12 into 38. 12 means we return 3 into 4. 38 means 2 into 19 or not? 2 into 19. Okay. 2 4 the how much? 8. 8 3 the 24. One is 24, another one 19. But one is minus 24, another one plus 19 or not? Those are in initial roots or final roots? Initial roots. What are the final roots? Minus 18 minus 102 or not? Second one 24 minus 19 or not? Okay. First x values compared to 24 less or greater? Less. But minus 18 compared to minus 19 greater or not? Opposite symbols or same symbols? Opposite symbols. Then relation cannot be established. Minus 18 compared to 24 lesser, but minus 18 compared to minus 19 greater or not? Next question number 38. What is the coefficient of x square? 6. Coefficient of y square also 6. Equal coefficients means directly we are take the factors or not? Just we are take the only factors. R, what is the LCM of 6 comma 6? 6. 6 how many times? 1 time. X roots multiplied by 1. Y roots also multiplied by 1. 6 into how much here? 57. 6 means we return 3 into 2 or not? Next 57 means 3 into 19 or not? Okay. First 3 2 the 6. 6 3 the 18. 19 to the how much? 38. 3 3 the 9. 38 and 9. Difference will be 29. One is 38. Another one minus 9 or plus 9? Minus 9. Second one 6 into how much? 169. 6 means we return 3 into 2 or not? 169 means 13 into 13 or not? 13 to the 26. 13 3 the 39. One is plus 39, another one plus 26. Those are in initial roots or final roots? Initial roots. What are the final roots? Minus 38 plus 9 or not? Second one minus 39 minus 26 or not? Okay. Minus 38 compared to minus 39 greater. But minus 38 compared to minus 26 less than. Then answer no relation or not? Opposite symbols or same symbols? Opposite symbols. Next question number 39. 15x square equal to x square minus 105x minus 196 equal to 196. First right hand side x square, it will become left hand side minus or not? This one I written 14x square plus 105x plus 196 equal to 0 or not? Again simplify or not? 7 how many times? 2 times. Next 7 how many times? 15 times. 7 how many times? 28 times or not? Yes or no? Next 14y square and y square difference? 13y square minus 182y plus 169 or not? Okay. All are divided by 13 or not? Then we return y square minus 14 or 13? 14 plus 13 equal to 0. Okay. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. But coefficient of y square? 1. What is the LCM of 1 comma 2? 2. 2 how many times? 1 time. But 1 how many times? 2 times. Means y roots multiplied by 2 times or not? 2 into 28, 56. One is 7, another one 8. Those are in initial roots or not? Next, what are the x final roots? Minus 7, minus 8 or not? Second one, what are the product value in second one? 13. Some value minus 14. One is minus 13, another one minus 1. Those are in initial roots, but those are multiplied by 2 times or not? Okay. What are the y final roots? 26 plus 2 అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ x less than y అన్నాడు. We are not required last 2 steps. In first equation, product value positive or negative? Positive. Sum also positive. Initial roots positive. Initial roots positive. Final roots negative. Second equation, product will be positive. Sum is negative. Initial roots negative, but final roots positive or not. Obviously, x final roots are negative, y final roots are positive. Then directly we return x less than y or not. Okay. Without solving last 2 steps also, we are get the same answer or not. Without writing this one also. Okay. Next question number 40. X into x minus 3, that is equal to how much? 2 power 8 into 3 power 9 by 4 power 3 into 9 power 3. What is the right hand side value? 2 power 8 by 4 cube means 2 power 6 into 3 power 9 by 9 power 3 means 3 power 6. Okay, this one we return 2 square into 3 square. What is the 2 square? 4 into 9. How much? Sorry. Second one, 3 cube. 2 square is how much? 4. 3 cube, 27. 27 into 4 means 108. That is equal to x into x minus 3 or not? X into x minus 3 equal to 108. 108 means 12 how many times? 9 times or not? If x value return 12, then x minus 3 are 9 or not? X must be how much? 12. X value 12. What is the y value? 12 or not? Because already right hand side square root are given or square are given? Square root. Then y equal to how much? 12 or not? X value 12, y value also 12. Then answer x equal to y. Don't say no relation. X equal to y. Because already we are get the values or not? What is the answer? X equal to y. All the questions are complete. If it is root r given, then directly we are getting which one? Only plus r. Suppose x square equal to 144 are given, we are get the plus r minus.